Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about PixelFlow and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. After that you will click on Play Store. You will search about PixelFlow, enter Video Maker. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.